Hey guys, okay, so I went on my friend Cece's page, my friend Cece's page. Y'all go check her out. Put a link below. Cece Rogue. She's our lead singer for Rogue. I want to sing a song for y'all. Sorry, I need my Dr. Pepper. Yeah, I want to sing a song for y'all. Let me think here. What song we got? Good time for reality. I can't sing that song, sorry. Sisters. No. When I was okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of Paramore. I'm gonna be jumping around with songs, okay? Cause you know I'm not good at singing, so I'm gonna jump around a little bit. Right here. I'm gonna be standing right here. And this is Paramore, the only exception. When I was young, I saw my daddy cry. Curse had the wind. He broke his own heart as I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised that I'd never sing a love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it along or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I have sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. 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 Got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Oh, you are the only exception. 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 Sorry, I don't have any music, it's just, yeah. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.